I think we should be good. That's what happens when you shoot videos on the porch. I'm gonna make this quick because I don't know what else is gonna happen. But hey, King Times 2 here, back with another video. We just got a quick unboxing to do. So if you see my last video, you see I was a little salty about that fragrance that I broke. I literally been thinking about this fragrance for the last 3 years, and I finally pulled a trigger. I have it for less than 24 hours and I break it. Like, I'm gonna buy that fragrance again. Shout out to Parfum to Marley Kalan. Like, and it's crazy because even breaking that fragrance, I want that fragrance even like now even better. Like, I gotta get that fragrance, and I will. Just you wait. I got this unboxing to do. I got 2 packages here. One of them I'm gonna do a video for, this video. The second, I'm not gonna do a video for that one. But yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. I feel like this might be the other package. Not exactly sure which one is which. However, like I said, I broke my Cologne by Parfums de Marley after only having it for after only having that fragrance for less than 24 hours. So I actually bought myself something else because I was sad, bro. Like, in that first package, it wasn't the one that I wanted to do a video for. So we're gonna skip that one, and then we're just gonna jump over into this one. This fragrance, because you know that's all I really do. This fragrance is one that I've been looking at this one for a little bit. I wouldn't say nothing or nowhere near like 3 years or whatever, but yeah, these are my confessions. Got the little guy in the corner here. I'm excited about this because, like, remember I told y'all, like, I really like the packaging. Off top, oh, this is a Lattafa. This one say Lattafa. I'm gonna just jump right into it because I got a feeling these people ain't going nowhere no time soon. So we're just gonna make this short and quick. I really hope this audio turns out good. Like I said, put my knife up. So yeah, this is the packaging. We ended up going with His Confession, something cheap as a consolation prize to myself. Like I said, I dropped my Cologne by Parfum to Marley. Super sad about that. I don't even know how this opened. Maybe out the bottom. Oh, that's it. So boom, right out the. Oh my god! You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? His Confession. I'm gonna read this for y'all right there. His Confession. I must confess, your aura inspires me to lead with confidence through my days, encouraging me to explore the unknown. You bring power to my mind and warmth to my soul, making you irresistible. Tonka, you are my passion. Now, this fragrance, I believe, if I remember correctly, is a vanilla forward fragrance. And I really love vanilla fragrances. So, man, we're just gonna get to experience this together. There goes that. Really nice bottle. I think this bottle is gonna be too tall for the shelves that I have. And I'll pop a picture up there for you guys so you can see. But man, just super cool detailing. Like, nice, sleek.
You see how the top pops off, and he's up. He's held by the head. Oh, I'm very give it to y'all so y'all can smell it. You smell that? You smell that? You smell that? This reminds me of that Young Thug album cover. So yeah, I told y'all. I think it's getting louder. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear this. I'm gonna set this to the side, and we just I got my fan going too. I probably shouldn't have it the way it's decent atomizer. Oh. You know what's funny? So today, I actually realized that I'm running low on my Armani Code Absolute. And this kind of give me those Armani Code Absolute vibes. Like, vanilla forward. I get some citrus in there. That smells really good. And then you get to atomize it. That's some really good stuff. Very curious on longevity. Like I said, I'm just gonna make this quick. We are going to hop over onto Fragrantica. I don't know if you guys hear that or not. His confession, they actually got her confessions too. But this one is vanilla, ambery, powdery, iris, warm, spicy, cinnamon, violet, sweet, woody, balsamic. 4.4 out of 5 with 600 votes. We got cinnamon, lavender, mandarin, iris, benzoin, cypress, mahogany, vanilla, tonka, amber, cedarwood, incense, and patchouli. Yeah, they say moderate. Some people even say long lasting. Moderate on the sillage. This is definitely unisex, which I think a woman can pull this off easy. Yeah, I don't know. That's pretty much it. I'm very happy with it. But like I said, it's a quick unboxing. I'll give you guys a full update eventually. King Tatsu will catch you on the next. Peace.